Hello guys, today I want to teach you how to fix actually Samsung Note 10 Ultra. Look, the charging port doesn't go in properly. So we have to use a tweezer to remove the rubbish from inside. We have to make sure we won't touch the plastic bit on the middle. So you have to clean from side. Look, it's unbelievable how much rubbish was inside the port. You know what's the reason? When you put it in your pocket and you put the charging port inside, it happening for the phone. After the full service, then I use the air pump. There you go. It works same as the first day. Please subscribe my channel to have more video. Thanks.